Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post market report. Today, also, the Indian market disappointed the market participants. Today, Nifty closed below the previous day's closing, and today, Nifty closed about 100 points below from its 200-day EMA. Today, we had a higher opening in Indian market in most of the major indices. Nifty also today opened with a gap up opening about more than 170 points. Today's opening range was the day's high in Nifty. As soon as the Nifty opened, the Nifty started to fall, and within half an hour, Nifty fall about more than 230 points. Now let's check into the chart of Nifty today. From the chart, you can see by 9:45, Nifty reached near to 23,365 levels, and from there, Nifty range bounded, and by 10 a.m. Nifty reached around 23,485. But from there, within half an hour itself, by 10:45, Nifty touched its day low, that is 23,350 by 10:45 a.m. So, in the beginning, today the Nifty was very volatile. Today, Nifty took support as well as faced resistance many times at 23,480 levels. Today, the India VIX rose about 2.57% and India VIX is now at 15.16. The India VIX also was very volatile today and made a moment of 2.83 points. But Fin Nifty only made a moment of 153.3 points on intraday. Bank Nifty also was not very volatile. Bank Nifty traded within a range of 371.8 points. Nifty made an intraday moment about 256.4 points, and Sensex traded within a range of 921.91 points. Today, among the sectorial indices, Nifty IT led the loss and shed about more than 2%. Energy and healthcare were the other major losers, shed about more than 1% each. Today, Nifty Metal was the top gainer and gains about 2%. Nifty Auto, FMCG and Nifty Bank gained between 0.3 to 0.7%. Nifty today, by closing with negative sentiments, it extended its loss for the 7th consecutive section. The main reasons for the continuous fall are due to the continuous sell by the FIIs, the weak global cues, the tensions which are rising in the Middle East as well as between Ukraine and Russia, and finally the hawkish commentary by the US Fed. Now let's quickly go through the major indices level right now. Nifty 50 closed down by 0.34%. Sensex is down by 0.31%. Nifty Bank is up by 0.37%, and Nifty IT is down about 2.32%. Nalco, HDFC Bank, Reliance and Zomato were some of the most active stocks of the day. Today, 941 companies were towards the advanced mode, while 1,563 companies were towards the decline mode, while we check the advanced decline ratio in NSE. Nalco, Muthoot Finance, Hindalco, CG Power, and IDFC First Bank are some of the top gainers of the day in Indian market, while losers includes IGL, Mahanagar Gas, Gujarat Gas, Oracle Fin Services, and Oberoi Realty. Honasa Consumer, IGL, Akums Drugs, Balaji Amines, and Talna Platforms were some of the stocks which touched its 52-week low today. Now let's move into the stock in news. Nalco, Hindalco, and Vedanta shares rise up to 9% today as China cancels export tax rebates for aluminium. MedPlus Health shares rally for the fourth section after rupees 552 crores block deal. Brainbees share price gains 7% today as first carry parents quarter to net loss narrows. Hero Motor Corp shares surge 5% today as brokerages retain buy call following quarter two results. Delhi Very shares jump on reporting net profit for second consecutive quarter. Honasa Consumer stock plunges 20% after firm reports firm's loss in 5 quarters. Shares now trading below its IPO price. MGL and IGL shares cracked 20% today as CGDs sees further cut in priority gas allocation. L&T Tech company to help US develop smart city projects in Colorado. Crompton shares surged 7% today on strong quarter two performance. Muthoot Finance shares rises 7% today on investors' interest after AUM tops rupees 1 lakh crores as gold loan surges. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and please do like and comment. It will help the YouTube algorithm. And please share the channel with your trading friends. It will help the YouTube algorithm. Disclaimer: please do not make any investment decisions based on my video because I am not a SEBI registered person. I am doing this video is for you and for me for educational purpose only. Hope all you got the informations. Thanks for watching.